You ever see those guys on TikTok with that perfect messy hair and think it's genetics? It's not. And if you do it right, that same look can make your face look sharper, cleaner, and way more attractive. And let's be honest, girls love when a guy can pull off the messy hairstyle. It looks effortless, confident, and real. But here's the truth, not everyone can pull it off. A messy hairstyle only looks good when it fits you. Here's your full guide on how to actually pull off a messy hairstyle and who it'll look best on. The first step to a good messy hairstyle is always texture. Sea salt spray gives your hair that dry, grippy feel that makes it easy to style. Spray it on damp hair, not soaking wet, and scrunch it through with your hands. That's what makes it look effortless, not sloppy. Now I want you to get up and start touching yourself. I mean your hair. Instead of brushing or blasting your hair dry, use a blow dryer on medium heat and scrunch your hair upwards as it dries. This creates natural volume and movement. If your hair falls flat easily, add a little texturizing powder at the roots. It locks in that messy, lifted look all day without making your hair stiff. Having some wave and life in your hair is important for this look. If your hair's naturally straight, you can cheat a little though, don't worry. Use a small curling wand on a few random pieces, not to make curls, but to add bends in shape. It gives that effortless texture you see on guys with naturally wavy hair. Drying is really the step that makes or breaks it. This is where most guys ruin the messy look. How you dry your hair changes everything. If you want that soft, natural texture, please never dry your hair aggressively. Rubbing it with a regular towel causes frizz and kills your natural wave pattern. Instead, use a t-shirt or microfiber towel and pat or scrunch the water out gently. From here, you've got two routes depending on the finish you want. Option 1 is to air dry for a natural look. The reason this haircut works so well for the guys who pull it off is because it looks like they are not trying too hard. You need to let your hair look natural. Add your sea salt spray while it's damp. Give it a few scrunches with your hands and let it do its thing. The key is to not touch it too much while it dries. That's what gives it those clean, loose waves. Air drying works best if you already have some natural texture or curl in your hair. Option 2 is to blow dry for volume and control. If your hair is flatter or straighter, I would probably use a blow dryer. Start on low to medium heat, aim the air upwards, and use your fingers to scrunch and lift sections of hair as you go. You can even flip your hair forward to get that extra volume at the roots. Once it's about 80% dry, hit it with a cool shot to lock in the shape. And remember, don't over dry it. The messy hairstyle looks best when your hair still has a little softness and movement left in it. If it's bone dry, it'll look stiff and lifeless. Messy hairstyle looks best on oval, square, or diamond shaped faces. Basically anyone with some jawline definition or bone structure. If you have a rounder, less defined face, for one, go check out my videos. But you can still pull it off, you'll just look better with more of a fringe. Keep the sides tighter and build volume on top. It'll make your face look sharper. If your hair is thick or wavy, you're built for this look. If it's thin or straight, just use products for texture like I said, and you'll still get that effortless effect. The messy hairstyle works because it feels natural, like you're not trying too hard, but you still care. A messy hairstyle isn't about being lazy, it's about balance. Looking good without looking like you tried too hard. Use the right products, understand your texture, and keep your hair healthy. If you've been thinking about switching things up, this is your sign to go for it. And if you just want to let it all go, I have a video on that too. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.